Hi, thank you for joining me for your Tuesday, June 15th astrological forecast. My name is Kat. I am an accredited astrologer of over 25 years. I know that's a long darn time, isn't it? I'm a spiritual life coach and a tarot reader. You are joining me on the Soul Sister channel. And the purpose of this channel is to teach us how to recognize and use energy consciously so that we can create the lives we want. And a great way to do this is by using astrology to help us recognize and understand energy. Let's get started, as we always do on this channel, by becoming balanced and aligned and centered with our higher self. Connected with our higher self. That's a better way to put it. Let's take our first deep breath. On this first deep breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our physical etheric bodies. Second breath. On this second breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our emotional astral bodies. Third breath. On this third breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our mental bodies, both higher and lower. We see all the negativity leaving our bodies, flowing right out, going away to wherever it came from, and then our bodies are being filled with this beautiful white light that not only fills our bodies, but then we see it go out and form a protective bubble around us. And this bubble is going to deflect all evil, low vibration, and negativity right back to where it came from. Now, while we're in this space of white light, let's say our Gemini affirmation: I am connected with my higher self. Together, we create the life I want. We're going to say this together, and we're going to stay in this space for 5 seconds. Let's say it together. I am connected with my higher self. Together, we create the life I want. 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. The more that we do this affirmation, the more real it becomes. I talked a little bit yesterday about really working on accessing that part of ourselves that is greater than what we can contain in the physical body. That greater part of ourselves is called our higher self. And we want to be able to train this physical body to accept more and more of that higher vibration so that we can see a little bit more clearly as to what is going on. It would really help us out. Consciousness always helps, let me tell you. Anyway, thank you for joining me today on this Tuesday. We still are working really hard. Today, the moon is still in Leo. So the issues that we're looking at today is being accepted being acknowledged or being recognized, and whether we are giving our power to someone else to determine whether we should be recognized or acknowledged, or are we holding the power within ourselves? We know we deserve to be recognized or acknowledged and we take our power and we ask for it. So like I said yesterday, we have a couple of different skeletons as to how this could look. We could not be getting the recognition and acknowledgement that we should be getting because we're giving our power to someone else. Or we're expecting recognition and acknowledgement when we haven't done the work to deserve it. So we want to look at those things today. We also want to remember that Mercury is retrograde in Gemini, Saturn is retrograde. Pluto is retrograde. Again, we're looking at where we need to take responsibility, where we need to take our power back. And with Mercury retrograde, really watch what we say. Make sure we're communicating what we need to communicate in whatever form, whether we're speaking, whether it's on a telephone conversation or an email or a text, whatever. Be focused and just be, we are not aligning with this natural energy, this retrograde energy of stopping, reviewing, and then readjusting. We just keep plowing through in this society. So what it looks like is everything goes amok when it comes to communications. Our email doesn't get to where it needs to go. Our computer breaks down. We have an accident, like my story on Sunday, car accident because somebody isn't paying attention. Our flight is delayed. These are all the effects of society not following the natural cycle of the universe. So we can't change it. So we're just going to move through it. And I would suggest to use a little bit of humor to help us get through it today. Oh my, right? Okay, so let's check in. Which deck? Oh, I haven't used this deck for a while. Let's check in with our universe, with our higher self, with our guides, whatever we choose to call that consciousness that is greater than what we are physically experiencing within our bodies, outside of the natural physical senses. Let's see what they have to say. All right, here we go. Cut the deck. Oh shoot, I forgot to cut it. Hold on. Here we go. All right. Choosing your path. We have to choose which way are we going to go. Are we going to allow the continuation of allowing others to have power over us? Or are we going to take our power back? That is our choice. There's also another choice that needs to be made. Some of us are pondering making major life changes. And we have to be brave enough and courageous enough to take the risk in ourselves. That is what this card is also suggesting. Choosing our path. Are we going to choose a path that more aligns with who we are and who we've become and who are becoming? Or are we going to just default back on the old, safe and secure project opportunity of the past because we don't have the courage to go forward? Follow your bliss. It goes right along with it. This is our opportunity to follow our bliss, to jump into whatever it is that is a little bit different, non-traditional. It uses our skills, our unique skills and our abilities. We can possibly even eke out an income with this. It might even be that. Follow our bliss. Choose the path that follows our bliss. And finally, hey, unknown territory. We know it's unknown territory. The universe knows. It's pouring in energy we've never even experienced at this level before. We're going in unknown territory. Spirit knows us. Spirit has our back. So Spirit is saying, Spirit's ready to have our back as we jump into this new opportunity that better reflects who we are, better reflects our values, our ethics, our ideals, better supports us and fulfills us. No matter whether this is in a partnership, a relationship, whether it's in our job, we are looking at this today. All right, thank you for joining me today on this Tuesday. Make it a great day. Remember to be kind. Oh my gosh, we all are are all experiencing this same discordant energy. So just have mercy on everyone and show a little kindness. Make it a great day. Come see me at Facebook if you'd like to get a nice little daily message. And if you like what you see today, please like, subscribe, and share. I would greatly appreciate it. Remember, everyone, life is lived from the inside out. Happy Tuesday. I'll see you tomorrow. Namaste.